Hi Junior 5. Today we'll complete our revision on Unit 2. Open your homework booklet, page number 40. Solve each of the following equations. Letter C. 3x plus 8 equals 29. To solve the equation, I want to find the x element. Then here, I have 3x plus 8. Plus 8 and here 3x means 3 times x. Move first, yes, plus will move first. Then 3x equal 29. Here plus 8 will be what? Will be minus 8. Then 3x equals 29 minus 8. 9 minus 8 equals 1. And drop 2. Then 29 minus 8 equals 21. I want x alone. Here 3x means 3 times x. Since 3 will move to opposite side by opposite operation. Here 3 times x will be divided 3. Then x equals 21 divided 3 or over 3. Then x equals 21 divided 3 equals 7. Then x equals 7. Clear? Letter D. 2y minus 12 equals 2. 2y minus 12 equals 2. I want to solve equation. Then I want to find y. Here 2y minus 12. Minus and plus move first. Then minus 12 will move. Then 2y equals 2. And here minus 12 will be what? Will be plus 12. Here, then 2y equals 2 plus 12 equals, yes, equals 14. Now I have 2y means 2 times y. Then 2 will move by opposite operation. Here times will be divided over. Then y equals 14 over 2. Y equals 14 over 2 equals 7. Then y equals 7. Letter E. 1 over 3x plus 8 equals 10. First, here times and here plus. Plus will move first. Then 1 over 3x equals 10. Here plus 8 will be minus 8. 1 over 3x equals 10 minus 8 equals what? Yes, equals 2. I want x alone. Then x equal, here 2. Here 1 over 3 times x. 1 over 3 will move by opposite operation. Will be what? Divided. 1 over 3. Then x equal 2. Instead of divided both times and reciprocal will be 3 over 1. Again, divided will be times and reciprocal 1 over 3 will be 3 over 1. 3 over 1 equals 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. Then x equals 6. Letter F. 1 over 6x minus 3 equals 2. First move minus. Then 1 over 6x equal 2. Minus 3 will be what? Yes, plus 3. Then 1 over 6x equal 2 plus 3 equals what? Yes, equals 5. Then I want x, then x equals 5. Here 1 over 6 times x. 1 over 6 will move by opposite operation, will be divided 1 over 6. Then x equal 5 divided times and reciprocal will be 6 over 1. Divided become times and reciprocal 1 over 6 will be what? 6 over 1. 6 over 1 equals 6. 5 times 6 equals, yes, 30. Then x equals 30. Question number 3, letter A. 20 minus x equals 16. Note that if I say 2 plus x equal x plus 2. Commutative. If I say 2 minus x equal x minus 2, false. 2 minus x doesn't equal x minus 2. Here I want x positive. Here I have x minus x. Can I say x minus 20? No. Then move x to opposite side by opposite sign. Here minus will be plus. Then 20 equals 16 plus x. All the time I want to find x positive plus or without sign. Here minus 20 minus x. If we move 20, we get minus x. Doesn't work. I want x alone. Then move minus x to opposite term. Then I have 20 equals 16 plus x. Commutative 20 equals 16 plus x. Then x plus 16 also equal 20. Here 20 equals 16 plus x. Then x plus 16 or x plus 16 or 16 plus x equals 20. Move 16 to opposite side by opposite operation. Then x equal 20. Here plus 16 will be minus 16. Then x equal 20 minus 16 equals, yes, equals 4. Then x equal 4. Check. 20 minus, instead of x equal 4, 20 minus 4 equals 16. True. Again, when you see minus x minus y minus any letter, you want to find x. Then move x to opposite side, the opposite operation will be plus. And then commutative. 20 equals 16 plus x, then x plus 16 equal 20. I will find x, move 16 to opposite side by opposite operation. Then x equal 20 minus 16. 20 minus 16 equal 4, then x equals 4. Letter B. 15 minus y equals 10. I have minus y. Then move to opposite side. Then 15 equals 10 plus y. Commutative 10 plus y equals 15. 15 equal 10 plus y and 10 plus y equal 15. I want y alone, then y equals 15. 10 will move by opposite sign. Here plus will be what? Minus. Then 15 minus 10. Then y equals 15 minus 10 equals 5. Then y equals 5. Check. 15 minus 5 equals 10. Open page number 42. Letter A. B plus 4 equals 18. I want to find the value of B. Then P equals 18. Here plus 4 will move by opposite sign, will be minus 4. Then B equals 18 minus 4. 8 minus 4 equals 4 and the double 1. Then B equals 14. Check. B, but 14. 14 plus 4 equals 18. Yes, 2. Then P equals 14. It will be 10m equals 90. 10m means 10 times m. I want m. Then m equals 90 and 10 will move by opposite operation. Will be divided 10 or over 10. M equals 90 over 10. Cancel 0 with 0. Equals 9. Then m equals 9. M equals 9. Letter C. K divided 6 equals 6. I have k divided 6. I want k equals 6 will move by opposite operation. Here divided 6 will be 6 times 6. Then k equals 6 times 6 equals 36. Check. Instead of k equals 36, 36 divided 6 equals 6. Then k equals 36. Letter D. X minus 150 equals 50. I want to find x. X equals 50. Minus 150 will move by opposite sign. Will be plus 150. Here 50 plus 150. X alone. Minus 150 move to opposite side by opposite sign. Then 50 plus 150. Then x equals 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 5, 10. 0 carry up 1 equals 2. Then 50 plus 150 equals 200. Then x equals 200. Check your answer. 200 minus 150 equals 50. Yes, true. Letter E. Y over 12 equals 3. Y over 12 means y divided 12. I can write it. Y divided 12 equals 3. I want y alone. Then divided 12 will move by opposite operation. Then y equals 3 divided 12 will be what? Will be times 12. Opposite operation. Make draft. I have 12 times 3. 2 times 3 equals 6 and 1 times 3 equals 3. Then y equals 36. Again, here y over 12 means y divided 12 equals 3. I want y, then divide 12 will move by opposite direction. Then y equals 3, divide 12 will be times 12. Then 3 times 12 equals 36, then y equals 36. Check. 36 divided 12 equals 3. True. Goodbye.